Can dogs really sense emotions? Dogs are masters at reading body language, noticing changes in us, maybe even our body language, our attitude, what we're feeling. When we go to canine school, a lot of times what you'll see is they'll say whatever you're feeling travels down the leash and goes into the dog. So yes, dogs are masters at kind of understanding body language, reading energy, all that kind of stuff. So absolutely, dogs can sense what's going on with you or what's going on in the environment.